my Spotted Fawn's home. It's a picture here of some old-time Indian. I don't know just what his name is. Looks a little bit like my father. And that's the way they dressed sometime in the old days. They were at war those days. And when they had to hit back and raid out, they took some of this kind of stuff, soldiers' hats, with a bugle on it, and they had some long tail coats off of passengers and stagecoaches, and that's the way my father was dressed when he met my mother, according to what she told me. And very handsome man, she said. Dressed long tail coat, high hat with a feather in it, and 2 big bandoliers of ammunition, but no pants. And it was all horseback.